Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to get Elementor Pro plugin for free. What you need to do is just to go to this site proelements.org. Wait for it to load, then click here to download. Wait for it to download. I'm sorry, the connection is very slow. After it has downloaded, go to your WordPress dashboard and go to this appearance, abi plugin. Yes. After the plugin, then choose file. Then make sure you choose the Pro Elements file that you have downloaded. Then click on open. Install now. Wait for it to install. Unpacking the package. Installing the plugin. Plugin installed successfully. Then activate. After the activation, you have got the Pro Element. After this activation, you will be able to use all the pro version of Elementor. That is it. We met in the next video.